If you're managing a growing photo library, from personal archives to professional collections, performance quickly becomes a deciding factor. Slow startups, laggy thumbnails, or delayed search results can disrupt your workflow. This is where Photo Supreme stands out. Designed as a full-featured digital asset management system, it puts performance at the center of the experience. Let's have a closer look at how it performs. Photo Supreme is engineered to scale far beyond typical photo collections. Based on shared product usage data from January 2026, the average user's catalog size is around 180,000 images, with the largest catalog in active use counting near 3.8 million images. These numbers reflect real-world usage, not theoretical limits, and they demonstrate that Photo Supreme is routinely used with very large libraries. Large thumbnail views are often where photo managers struggle. Photo Supreme addresses this with efficient thumbnail building, caching, and generation. This allows you to scroll fast. Even opening folders or collections containing thousands of images, browsing remains smooth and responsive. Startup time is a common pain point in DAM software, especially as catalogs grow. Photo Supreme performs exceptionally well here. According to shared usage data, the average application startup time is under 10 seconds. Because Photo Supreme uses a database-driven catalog that doesn't need to be rebuilt at launch, startup remains consistently fast, even for large and mature libraries. In practical terms, this means you can launch the application and start working almost immediately, rather than waiting through long initialization phases. Search performance is one of Photo Supreme's strongest areas, with near-immediate results. Keywords, ratings, labels, captions, camera data, and other metadata are searchable and appear as you type. Even combining multiple criteria keeps it responsive. Search feels interactive rather than transactional, an important distinction when working with large image sets. For power users, Photo Supreme supports complex, compound queries across multiple criteria. Thanks to optimized indexing, these searches remain fast even as catalogs approach hundreds of thousands or millions of images. With real-world catalogs averaging over 180,000 images, startup times under 10 seconds, and proven use cases approaching 4 million assets, Photo Supreme demonstrates performance at scale. For photographers and organizations who care about speed, responsiveness, and future-proof cataloging, Photo Supreme shows that high performance and large libraries can comfortably coexist.